So today I'm gonna do the liquid moly engine flush on my engine because my car is already high mileage, so I think it's a good idea to flush out the gunk inside my engine. So after I put the engine flush on my engine, I'm gonna run it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna drain the oil, and I'm gonna replace the oil with this cheap 5W30 oil. So the cheap oil will clean the rest of the residue from the engine flush and also the leftover old oil inside the engine. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna drain the cheap oil, and then after that I'm gonna put a new oil filter and put this full synthetic 5W30 motor oil, and add up this ceramic protection. So this is the Ceratec by Liqui Moly. It's a ceramic wear protection for engine, and it makes your engine very slippery inside, so you're gonna get good gas mileage with this ceratec. So gives you the benefit of less wear inside your engine and better gas mileage. So the engine flush is 500 milliliter, so you have to make sure you have enough space inside the engine to put this engine flush inside. So check the oil level, so make sure you have enough space to put it. Otherwise you have to reduce the oil inside your engine if you have too much oil inside your engine, or if your oil is up to the maximum and you're gonna add this. I think it's a good idea to reduce the oil first and then add this after. So my oil level is, so the oil is halfway, so I have enough space to put the liquid moly inside without draining oil. First you have to take out this engine cover. And open up this oil filler cap. So you're gonna need a small funnel. And make sure you shake this, you can mix it up well inside before you put it in. Now it's time to pour in the liquid moly. Take out the funnel and put back the oil cap. Then I'm going to start the car and let it run for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes now, it's time to shut down the engine. Now it's time to drain the oil. So now it's time to put back the plug so I can put in the cheap oil to flush it. So the MDX takes about 4.3 liters of oil, including the oil filter. So I'm only gonna need to flush the engine with the cheap oil, so I'm just gonna put probably around 4 liters of oil. So with the 4 liters of oil, I'm just gonna run it. I'm gonna idle it for 10 minutes to circulate the oil and flush out all the residue from the engine flush and also the old oil before I put in the fresh oil with the ceratec. That's 4 liters of oil. I'm gonna start the car and idle for 10 minutes to clear out the rest of the engine flush and the old oil. Now it's time to drain the cheap oil, dirty oil inside, and the residue. It's time to put back the plug so I can put the new oil. Now it's time to put the real oil. So this takes about 4.3 liters, including the filter. So I'm gonna put only 3.5 liters of oil, and then because the ceratec is 300 milliliters, so that's gonna be a total of 3.8, including the ceratec. So I'm gonna pour in 3.5 liters of this synthetic oil. So now I'm gonna pour in the ceratec. So guys, for this video I added the liquid moly engine flush to clean out the gunk inside my engine. Then after that I did the oil change and added up this ceratec for better protection inside and for better gas mileage. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.